Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're in my kitchen. Sadly I won't be cooking today, but maybe next time, maybe we'll be quite lucky next time and I'll be cooking up something quite delicious. But today, nothing delicious going on. We'll be cleaning a pair of trainers today and I'll be showing you some of the techniques and some of the products I prefer using to just freshen up quite beat up pair of trainers, because as you all know, trainers, they're not getting cheap nowadays. Like you get like Yeezys, what, £180 for Yeezys, so you know you want to show them some love every now and then, just to freshen them up, make them look like they're still brand new and just out the box. Cool. Alright, so let's have a look at some of the stuff I prefer using. Alright, so let's have a look at what I've got. So just to make it clear, I'm not sponsored by Jason Mark. It just so happens that I prefer using their products because it's just my preference. So let's have a look what I have here. So we have the quick wipes, Jason Mark quick wipes. They're quite good in the sense that, you know, if you're going on holiday and you don't want to carry an entire cleaning kit with you, they are the best light, quick option. And especially if, you know, your trainers aren't that battered, but you still want them to look quite clean in literally a quick wash, then that is your best option. And in terms of the cleaning kit, and this, you have the Jason Mark solution, and then I like to have, well, once I've given them a good clean, always make sure you have a good clean microfiber cloth to dry them off, and just, yeah. And in terms of brushes, you should have, well, in terms of the Jason Mark cleaning kit, they should have like one quite hard, brittly brush, which tends to be, well, you use for the soles, the bottom of your trainers, because that's usually where it picks up most of, well, junk, dirt, everything just gets trapped under there. So you need like quite a strong, hard brush to kind of get in and just get stuff out. These two should be different brushes, but I can never tell which one is which. They're softer brushes. One is meant to be a premium one, which is meant to be used for, like, you know, much more delicate materials, and the other one is, you know, good for like leathers and stuff like that. But both of them are quite much softer than this one, so, you know, less abrasive for, you know, materials on the surface of your trainers, so you don't damage or scratch them. Okay, so let's have a look at what we're cleaning today. Okay, so what do we have here? So these are Nike Air Force Ones. These are using the Lunar Force technology for the soles, so they're lighter than normal Air Force Ones, but they're also sort of like their winter editions. They're called the boot versions. So the soles, as you can see, they are better in terms of grip. The leather's thicker, much stronger, and yeah, generally they're good for, they tend to be what I wear for the winter because they're just generally good for the winter. But yeah, I wore these over the weekend just to do some work on the car. You know, being the winter and in the outdoors, then you just kind of, as you can see, picks up, oops, I guess that's something just fell off the sole. Then yeah, you know, being in the outdoors and doing work on the car, you kind of just end up just picking up marks and scuffs and just getting them a little bit beat. So they don't look too bad, so I probably won't use the actual cleaning kit with the brushes and everything. So probably this time around I will only use the quick wipes, so just to demonstrate how quick a quick wipe clean is, I guess. Cool, so let's get to work, shall we? Cool, so let's get to work. So let's have a look. So as you can see, just got the wipe out. So there's two sides. So this side's, you can see it's a bit rougher. So it's got all these little bits that can, you know, get you know, when you scrub, it'll catch all the dirt, anything that's a bit more tougher, and then the other side a bit more smoother, not as rough. So let's get to work. Get your hand right in. I tend to like to get my hand right in and kind of give it a push on the toe box, just so I'm not pushing into the material, so I'm not, like, you know, causing any, what's the word I'm trying to look for, wrinkles, you know, trying to cause it to, you know, not to get the shape a bit out. But another good tip is to, before you work, is actually stuff a pair of some socks in there, just to keep, just so the pair of trainers, they hold their shape. So I'm using the rough side at the moment and just giving the midsoles a good little scrub. So I'd like to start from the dirtier parts first, just so, because it's a bit more satisfying just seeing all the dirt come off straight away, and you may be able to just see the difference already in terms of, like, the colour of the midsole. And I'm going to swap over to the other side. Give it a good scrub. I mean, the laces aren't bad. Usually if it was like a deep clean and, you know, it's gone through a lot and even the laces have soaked in mud or ketchup or whatever, then you might want to unlace them and also give your laces a good little soak. But in this case, then, it's not too bad, so which is why I decided to choose the wipes over using the entire cleaning kit, which is a little bit more time consuming, but I think you see the results from this clean should be quite satisfactory. So let's have a look. Bottoms aren't that bad, but quick. Alright, looking good. I think pretty pleased. That was actually, as the packet would suggest, a quick wipe, and they have come out quite good. Right, so let's have a look at the finished result so far. I'd say I'm pretty happy with the result, so let's have a look. Still needs a bit of time to dry out, but I'll just finish that off with the microfiber in a bit, just to buff it off a bit. But pretty pleased. And let's just make a comparison with the other one that I've not cleaned yet. Clearly you can see a huge difference. Alright. Thank you very much for watching my quick cleaning video today. At some point in the future I will also do another one on what my deep cleaning process looks like, so I'll show you how I basically set up the solution and the process, or what that process looks like in terms of when I use the hard brush, when I use the soft brush, and also the drying process. Cool. I guess to summarize today, it's basically assess the situation, I guess. Have a look at the trainers you're planning to clean and just assess whether, you know, it's a situation where it requires a quick clean, so you just whip out the quick wipes and just to sort it out, or, you know, if the situation, you know, calls for a very deep clean where, you know, you're, oh my gosh, the shoes are just that beat that you just need to bring out the hard brushes, the soft brushes, and give it a quick, well, I wouldn't say quick, a massive detox, then yeah, just assess the situation and use the best method for that situation. Cool. Alright, so thank you very much for watching my quick video today. Hope it's helped you, and just to reiterate, today the products I've used, I'm not sponsored by them at all. It's just products I personally prefer to use. Cool. Alright, so thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.